Okay guys, I'm gonna bust out one of my signatures here. I love the Americana. It's one of the winningest moves for our team in competition. I don't think it's just because I love that move. Several years ago, John Donaher put out like this little social media post / article where he talked about how, that the Americana is one of the final submissions to be, getting truly refined. It hasn't been in the art the whole time in Brazil. It's some delay on making it over there from judo and from Japan. So it's interesting, Americana Udigurami, it's called in Japanese. You can hit it from all positions. It's a fundamental to us, right? And just the way we do it, we've collected some good details over time. This is actually an entry I've been doing for several years. It's from the bottom, right? He's doing a knee slide pass, right? Stay tight here because if this elbow's in, I'm not giving him an underhook, okay? Now he starts trying to go under my head here. I catch, and then I catch. All right, now look, as soon as I'm here, because of his base, I'm gonna be hitting this sit-up reverse, okay? We'll turn here. So I can come straight up into side mount Americana. Now, and always do it where I looked up at the ceiling. That is a detail I got from Daniel Bryan, who had him in for a seminar within the last 6 months or something, right? But just kind of think, like, even if you're sprawling heavy on him, like he feels a lot of pressure. I feel his ribs. But when I look up at the ceiling, it's worse, right? Would you say? Okay, so add that. It opens your chest up. It adds connection. It adds weight. And it adds a lot of strain and stress to this lock, to this submission, okay? So here, looking up, boom. And I'm thinking about swinging this on, not like this, just relax. Not this where I'm going up, down, like that, but I'm thinking about swinging this shit sideways, right? Like on a horizontal plane, like look, boom. Okay, that's another thing I don't see people teaching all the time, but like one of the ways I learned it from, more sources than Daniel Bryan, who I believe to be a super legit source, right? Wouldn't have had him in for a seminar if I did not believe that, or on the podcast, etc. Okay, so he's doing that guard pass again, knee slide, framed up here, so you're not giving him an underhook. Don't give him arm under the head, intercept the bicep. And as he's looking to complete the pass, I'm coming up here into my lock. Looking to the ceiling to add that pressure, okay? So just a nice little detail with that Americana, just adds more stress for him, more pain, right? And makes it harder to defend, okay? So that's something I've used that a lot, A lot of side mount escapes are sit-up reversals, and I think that this is like if you observe what's going on here, like I escape in a way, I'm torquing a lock on him, but he falls back, and I do that with like my leg from under Kessa or scarp hold. Like there's lots of instances where we use that sit-up type of escape from a positional variation with inside control. Okay, so that's a little Americana. We're getting into side mount escapes here in this next month of June. So that's a good little detail there. So that's it, guys. Thanks. Let's do one.